Good afternoon everyone, my name is Bhupinder Singh and I am an art teacher at Lotus Petal Foundation. Today I will teach you that how to make this graduation head shaped box like this, which you can use to keep your small stuff. It's a very easy and interesting activity. You can make it very easily and you can keep your small stuff in this box. So let's start that how to make this box. First you have to make one circle on a black sheet. If you don't have black sheet, you can choose any other color. So around to 5 centimeter radius you can choose and make a circle like this, and then just reduce the radius and make one more small circle over here like this. And now we have to cut this circle. So with the help of scissor you can cut it very easily, but be careful whenever you use scissor. Just cut this in a straight line so we can use it later. And now you can cut it this circle. So you have to cut just outer circle, not inner circle. So on the line you can cut it very easily. Okay, this circle is done. Now we have to cut all these lines, small lines over this circle like this to the small circle. Like this you have to cut it. Just leave around 1 centimeter space between them, not more than 1 centimeter. Okay, when you're done, now just take all these flaps and fold it upside like this, one by one. Just fold it upward. Like this. When you're done, just keep it side and take this remaining part and cut two strips from this. Just fold it into half and cut it like this. You can fold it and you can just cut this strip. Now we have one strip. We have to paste this strip around this circle with the help of Fevicol. So just take the Fevicol and apply it over here on these flaps, and then you can paste it with this strip. Apply Fevicol nicely all over the strip like this. Now you can paste this strip like this. Just start from here, press it for some time and just move forward, and now we have to just paste it around it. So now you can see I paste this strip around it. Now it looks like a box. Now we have to take the other remaining strip and we have to just fold it around it, but don't fold it tight, just fold it nicely, just a little bit loose, so it easily came out and easily you can put it inside. Just like this, and you can paste it over here. Apply some Fevicol and paste this strip over here. Don't make it tight, just make it a little loose so it easily came out and easily you can put it inside like this. So just paste it, and now you can take it out. You can see now easily you can put this inside it. Take it out and do the same thing. Just make some cuts, small cuts around 1 centimeter all over this circular strip. Okay, now you can see I cut all over the strip. Now do the same step, just take this flap and fold it downwards like this from the start to end. You have to fold it like this. One by one you can easily fold them down. Okay, now it's done. Now we have to paste one square paper over here, so just take the remaining paper and cut a square from this. First cut the extra part, like this, and cut it from here, become square shape like this. Now you can see we have one square. Just apply some Fevicol over here and paste it like this. So apply Fevicol on each flap so you can easily paste them like this. And now just put it on center and just press each one like this and paste it. When you're done with pasting, just you can see you can easily fit this box in the head like this. So your box is ready. Now just we have to make this strip, so you can use yellow paper, or if you have thread you can use that as well. Cut one strip from the yellow paper or golden paper and you can make it this rope. Cut a V shape from here and straight up. And do the same from this side like this, and then straight up. Just cut them. Now take the scissor and cut small strips from his bottom part, and now you can just paste this in the center. Take the Fevicol, apply it here, and you can just paste it on the center like this. Just give it nice curve. So your box is ready. It's a graduation shaped box. You can put your small things in this like sharpener, eraser, or pencil shavings. I hope you enjoy this video. Try it yourself. Have a nice day. Thank you.